Welcome back, everyone. We are often surrounded by objects that have length, breadth, and height. These are called three dimensional figures or solid shapes. For example, cubes, cuboids, cylinders, spheres, and cones. To understand these shapes better, we study surface areas and volumes. Surface area helps us find the total area covering the outside of a three-dimensional figure, while volume tells us how much space is occupied inside it. So let's begin solving a numerical to understand the concepts. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel as we proceed. Please note that this sum is from past exam question of June 2016. So the problem is, the diagram shows a solid shape made from a cone on top of a cylinder. So we can see a cone and a cylinder below it. So the cone has a radius of 10 centimeter, the cylinder has a radius of 10 centimeter and a height of 10 centimeter. The center of the base of the cone coincides with the center of the top face of the cylinder. So this is the center. The total surface area of the solid is capital A cm square. Show that A is equal to 300 plus 100 root 2 whole thing multiplied by pi cm square. So let's begin solving and give me a moment to erase this part. Just give me a moment. So we know that surface area of cone is equal to pi r L, where pi is, we know the value is 22 by 7, r is radius of cone, L is slant height of cone, slant height. So let me draw the cone here. We know that the height of cone is 10 centimeter and the radius is 10 centimeter. So by Pythagoras, now this is slant height L, this is height H and this is radius R. So by Pythagoras, L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L square is, now H square is, we know height is 10. So 10 square plus radius is also 10 square, so which is 100 plus 100. So this follows L is equal to root 200 centimeter. Therefore, surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. So the value will be pi multiplied by 100 multiplied by root 200 cm square. Now root 200 is, sorry, radius is 10. So pi multiplied by 10 multiplied by L is root 200. Now we know that root 200 is pi multiplied by 10 multiplied by root under 10 square multiplied by 2 cm square. So what does this give us? Pi 10 multiplied by 10 root 2 cm square, so which is 100 root 2 pi cm square. Now next, surface area of cylinder. So now if you recall the figure, there was a cone and cylinder. Now the radius of the cylinder 10 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. So here surface area of cylinder will be the base area pi r square plus the outside area of cylinder, which is 2 pi r h. Why? Because the circumference of circle is 2 pi r and multiplied by height of cylinder. So the total surface area of this cylinder is pi r square, the base area, and 2 pi r h. Now let's substitute the values. So we will just take the common parts first. Pi r multiplied by r plus 2h. Next step, we know the radius is 10, so 10 pi, so 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10. We know the height is 10 centimeters, so 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So this gives us 10 plus 20 is 30. So 30 multiplied by 10 is 300 pi cm square. Therefore, total surface area A will be 300 pi plus 100 root 2 pi cm square. Now taking the common value pi, what do we get? 300 plus 100 root 2 pi cm square. So this is what we had to prove. So in today's lesson, we understood about the concepts of surface areas and volumes in three-dimensional figures. Keep practicing so you will be able to apply them confidently in everyday situations as well as in exams. See you in the next lesson video. Till then, happy learning!